Howdy all! So, in this example today, we're going to be looking at congruent triangles and we're going to be just looking at finding unknown either angles or side lengths in these. So, we'll get straight into it. First, we just need to remember congruence. Okay, so if we have congruence, that means that they're equal. Okay, they're the same triangle. Okay, so all we need to do for these examples is essentially just rotate it or flip it, just get it looking the same way as the other one. Okay, so just make sure that you are doing this. So here, our first one, I just like to match up the sides. So I'm just going to get a highlighter to do this. Okay, so first we've got our X here. Okay, and X there. Alright, we then have, got rid of it accidentally. We have this black dot here and this black dot here. They're the same. So we just need to look at what's opposite each one. So we've got 10 and 10. Okay, we know that this is both opposite our dot. Okay, we then have this 4 here, and this is opposite our unknown angle. So this is opposite here. Okay, so that one matches up with there. So we know in this first example that X is going to equal 4. Alright, and then we just need to have a look at another one. So we'll see what's opposite this yellow X's I highlighted. So in this one we have 8, okay, and opposite this, sorry for all the scribble overlapping, and opposite this one here is our Y. So this means that Y is going to equal 8. Okay, so with these types of questions, just do this. It's good if you have different colors or put different symbols on each one. And we'll go through the next one here. So we've got our 3 sides, so we'll just look at our angles that we've been given. So firstly, we have a right angle here, okay, and the right angle there. So that's our first one. So we might need to remember here what all of these add up to in a triangle, because our first triangle here that we're given, we don't have any values, and then in our second one we have one value, so we can work out the value of B in this one. Okay, so we need to go back to what we've learned about triangles. So the inside angles in triangles equal up to 180. So that means B is going to equal 180 minus the right angle of 90 minus 75. Okay, so this here is going to equal 15 degrees. So now we have a value for all our angles in our triangle. So B is 15 degrees. Now, we just need to figure out if A, which angle this one is. So, we'll look at what side it is opposite. So, A in this one is opposite the side with the 2 lines. Okay? So, we need to look at what angle is opposite of the 2 lines in our other picture. So, we've got our 2 lines here, and the 75 degrees is opposite that angle there. Okay, so that means that A is going to equal 75 degrees. Okay, so this is how you can work out these types of problems with congruence of triangles. Just make sure you have a look at what each side length is, what each angle is, and just pair them up. And I find the easiest way is just looking opposite. Okay, so look at the opposite of the angle, which side it is, and this can help with breaking down what belongs where. Okay, so hopefully this helps with this types of question, and good luck.